Introducing the Pro Chair, designed with you in mind. Whether you're at work, home, or on the go, the Pro Chair is your perfect companion for everyday use. Let's take a closer look at its amazing features. Adjustable to 12 different height levels, ranging from 13.5 inches to 34.5 inches, the Pro Chair supports you from a low crouch to a high standing position. Say goodbye to uncomfortable seating arrangements and hello to proper posture. Changing the seat height is as easy as hooking the seat onto the horizontal bars on the chair frame, ensuring that you maintain the proper posture that conventional chairs just can't provide. The Pro Chair also features 4 special rubber attachments under the seat base, allowing the seat to tilt forward, left, and right, adjusting to your body movements and dispersing the weight. This forward-tilted position maintains the natural state of your spine and hips, reducing stress on your back and thighs. And when you're on the go, the Pro Chair folds easily for carrying and storage. Available in 4 stylish colors, the Pro Chair is not just a chair, it's a lifestyle choice. So why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? Upgrade to the Pro Chair and experience comfort, function, and health benefits like never before.